So let's talk about the cooling system, right? Oxidative stress in the mitochondria can be cooled down depending on whether it's day or night. That's melatonin. So that's what puts us to sleep. This is one of the strongest antioxidants that has been studied. It actually regulates, and it's twice as powerful as vitamin D. Melatonin is secreted at night from the pineal gland, then goes into the blood circulation into the cells. It is actively transported and then goes into the mitochondria to fulfill its duty to mop up very efficiently these antioxidant stress modules. This makes sense? Everybody following? All right, cool. Okay, so that's our nighttime process. But what happens during the day? During the day, what's our body doing? The infrared radiation from the sun actually goes into the mitochondria, and it is producing melatonin on site. This is what the science is now stating, is starting to discover, making it very interesting as to how much sunlight we are getting and what happens when we don't get enough. And also, I had a doctor say that while they say you should at least have 10 minutes of vitamin D a day, for us that are a little bit more melanated, we're supposed to have 20 minutes. Because a lot of us that are vitamin D deficient.
Yeah, I was told I was vitamin D deficient. I'm like, how? I work outside, bro. Like, what you talking about?
But you know what? We think like, think about it, if you're sitting or you're working outside or you're strapping something in real quick, are you really just sitting or actually just walking in the direct sunlight?
That's true.
We're generally trying to find shade. It's hot. We sweating. It's like,
Yeah, but then like the science also talks about, and I don't know if I put that information in here, but it talks about just being out in the sun and being able to look around while you're getting that radiation back into the body, not just the body, but also your retinas, your eyes. You know what I mean? So like, that's what really helps recharge the body and keeps the body on track with the circadian rhythm, right? Because again, remember, the sun lets off the radiation, right? The energy, but the energy hits our retinas, but then when it goes back into the pineal gland, remember, there's a process that takes place, but cortisol plays a part during the day. And that's the thing that keeps us aware. That's the thing that keeps us up and running. You know, once we start to fade out from that, because we may not be getting enough sleep, good sleep, then our sleep pattern gets thrown off.
Oh, that's when I use that Red Bull to boost me back up.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Temporarily.
The temporary boost, the unhealthy boost, guys. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Lock and acceptance.